YouTube. I'm gonna show you something with that Angry Birds rap video. He showed all the Angry Birds except for one. I know he forgot the Mighty Eagle, but he said there's one bird he didn't say. He said that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. And he didn't say this guy. Okay? See that? See that? So in my next video, I'll show you a video with him. And I'll make sure to show you guys. So see you later. Bye.